Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Children, in my previous two videos, we have covered many topics on the Western Desert. So today, first we will do one activity related with the chapter. Then we will cover the next of the topics. In this activity, you have to find out the names of the following in the grid. We have covered these topics in my previous two videos. So you have to read the questions carefully and you have to search the answer in this grid. And you have to write the answers of these questions in your notebook. First question is the capital of Rajasthan. You have to name the capital of Rajasthan. Second, tree found in Rajasthan. Name one tree that is found in Rajasthan. Third, small hills of sand. Small hills of sand. What are the small hills of sand? Number 4, fertile area in the desert where underground water is available. Next, folk dance of Rajasthan. You have to name one folk dance of Rajasthan. Ship of the desert. What is the ship of the desert? So this is your activity 1 of this chapter. You have to do this in your notebook. Only you have to write down the answers in your notebook. First you have to write activity 1, answer number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will cover the next topics. In my previous video, we have done life in the region, flora and fauna of the region. Now, we will do oasis. So, what do you mean by an oasis? Oasis is a fertile spot in a desert where water is found. So, water is generally scarce in desert areas. Scarce means very difficult to find out or very less. But at a few places, the underground water comes up to the surface and forms big pools. Such a place is called oasis. Small villages also develop around an oasis. See, you can see in the picture, this is underground water that comes up to the surface and forms big pool. And this place is called an oasis. Small villages also develop around an oasis because they can get water from the oasis. I am going to show you some more pictures so that you can clearly understand what is an oasis. See, people can get water from oasis. Now we will do the chief mode of transportation in the region. You all know that the chief mode, the main mode of transportation in this region, in the desert region, is camel. The chief mode of transportation in the region. The camel is the chief mode of transportation. It is called the ship of the desert. Camels can live for days without food and water. That is why they are very suitable for desert areas, because they can live for days without food and water. And their body features allow them to survive in the desert areas. They are also used to plow the fields and draw water from the wells. Camel hair is used to make paint brushes, clothes, etc. and their skin is used to make tents. Camels can also carry heavy loads in the desert areas. See, they have strong legs and they have padded feet, and that these features allow them to survive in the desert area. You can see their feet. They have wide feet and their feet are padded, so they can easily walk on very hot and loose sand. Now we will do development in the region. It is difficult to grow crops in the region because of the scarcity of water there. But the situation is now changing because government is making serious efforts to improve the life in the desert areas. Indira Gandhi Canal has been constructed to carry water to the most arid region of the state. Arid region. Arid means very dry and hot region, and the region without water. Besides providing water for agriculture, the canal supplies drinking water to hundreds of people in this region. A big farm has already been developed at Suratgarh in Rajasthan, and the blooming of desert has begun. The blooming of desert has begun because of the Indira Gandhi Canal. Canal means an artificial waterway, a man-made waterway to supply water to the places where if the places have no water, like the desert areas. You can see the location of Indira Gandhi Canal in this map. Indira Gandhi Canal is also called Rajasthan Canal. It brings water from river Satluj. You can see this is the location of Rajasthan, and you can see Indira Gandhi Canal in the map. This canal is 500 kilometers long and it provides water to northwestern Rajasthan, Ganganagar district as well as the parts of Bikaner district. I am going to show you some pictures of Indira Gandhi Canal. See this is Indira Gandhi Canal. This is Indira Gandhi Canal. Indira Gandhi Canal. This canal also provides water for irrigation and household work. Now we will do reasons of formation of desert. How do deserts formed? Deserts are generally formed because of shortage of water in a place and soil erosion. Children, what do you mean by soil erosion? You know the meaning of soil? Soil erosion means washing off the topsoil because of soil. There are so many reasons of soil erosion. Lack of plantation is the main reason of soil erosion. But humans are also responsible for creating a desert. How humans are responsible for creating a desert? If we destroy the forest, if we cut the trees, if we destroy the forest and allow the cattle, sheep and goats to graze the grasslands, faster than they can produce fresh grass, the land becomes a desert. So how we can cure this situation? Cutting down of forest and overgrazing of grassland must be controlled. We can do it by planting trees and shrubs and keeping the land covered with grasses. We can grow many types of crops with the limited water resources properly. This will help in improving the life of the people in desert area. So there are so many reasons of formation of deserts, and we can also do something so that the life of the people in the desert area can be improved. Children, we have covered all the topics of this chapter. Now we will do the exercises of this chapter. You have to tick the correct option. First question is, palace on wheels is a, what is palace on wheels? Palace on wheels is a train. Desert festival of Jaisalmer is held in the month of February. Dash is used for making tents. Camel skin is used for making tents. Traditional clothing of women in Rajasthan is ghagra and choli. A big farm has been developed in Rajasthan at Suratgarh. Now we will discuss fill in the blanks. The Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Dash travel from one place to another in search of food and water. Who travel? Banjaras. Water from the confluence of Satluj and Beas rivers were brought to the Thar Desert. What do you mean by confluence? Confluence means the place where two rivers meet and flow. Camel hair is used to make clothes and paint brushes. Dash is a traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. Ghumar. Ghumar is the traditional folk dance of Rajasthan. Match the followings. Oasis. What is an oasis? Oasis, pool of underground water. Jaisalmer Fort, one of the world's largest forts. Indira Gandhi Canal. Rajasthan Indira Gandhi Canal is also called Rajasthan Canal. Camel. Camel is the ship of the desert. Sand dunes. Sand dunes are the small hills of sand. Children, we have covered all the topics of this chapter. So, we will do one more activity related with this chapter. This is activity 2. In this chapter, we will do 4 activities and this is activity number 2. And in this activity, suppose you are planning a journey to the desert area of Rajasthan. So now answer the following questions. For example, you are planning a journey to the desert area of Rajasthan. And what is the desert area of Rajasthan? Yes, the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. So you have to list any 5 things that you will carry for your journey. You will read the chapter and then you will think that which are the 5 things that you need to carry for your journey. You have to name the 5 things. Then at what time of the day will you start your journey? When you will start your journey? Time of your journey. What type of clothes and clothing accessories will you carry with you? What type of clothes will you carry when you are planning a journey to the desert area of Rajasthan? So according to the season, you plan the type of clothes that you will carry with you. Next, what precautions will you take while in the desert? What are the things that you will take care of when you go to the desert? List 3 things that you would enjoy doing the most while vacationing there. When you are vacationing there, what are the 3 things that you would enjoy? Like you can enjoy camel ride, you can go and see an oasis, and there are so many other things that you can enjoy in the desert area. So you will also do this activity in your notebook, and in my next video we will discuss question answers, short question answers and long question answers of this chapter, as well as we will do 2 more activities related with the chapter. Thank you, children.